What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. You already know I'm here in Oregon trying to drop off a load by 6. We got like another 3 hours and some change drive. So right now I'm about to just get a little start. I'm gonna get some fuel and then hit the road. I don't know why they had the time to be so late. The time was pretty much at 6 p.m. and I've been up since this morning, so I could have went dropped it off, but it's at Amazon, so it's really strict, and that's absolutely annoying because it took me like 4 days to get here, and I have to do a reset because after I drop the load I have to get home by the 6th, so that it's literally like a tight span of time. So yeah, just bear with me, guys, and let's see what happens when I get to this place and what we're gonna do next. Guys, so now we're going through Utah. We got a big giant U on that mountain over there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but man, this is, bro, never get tired of this, man. These big gigantic mountains, like, it's so massive just off in the distance. It almost a fake, like it's a just piece of art or something, you know? I remember when I first started driving, and I used to be coming out west, especially in the nighttime, man, like the mountains used to look so creepy at night, man. I used to be freaked out, like, oh crap. Like sometimes it looked like some of the rocks was gonna fall on you and stuff. When you get used to it, you know? It's crazy, man. Some people walking over there. And a nice little river right there. Utah. Alright, so we are in Oregon, Portland. Alright guys, so I'm currently 22 miles away from picking up this load in Washington, and I can't wait to pick it up and hit the road, start heading back east, drop this off I believe in Kentucky, and then hopefully I can make it home by the 6th. Alright guys, so about to back this trailer up, but I end up seeing this beautiful view. It don't get no better than this, guys. Look at that. Alright guys, so I just stopped and took a shower. Got some nice fresh oranges and some pineapple. You know, it's times like these that make what I do just so worth it. Like, look at this view, guys. Look at this. This is so peaceful, man. I walked all the way out here, like, fresh air, the sun. Like, it don't get no better than this, man. Like, what in the world is this? Like, is this what heaven gonna look like? Man, this is amazing. Come, Milo, come, Max. Come.